Hello friends, in previous video we have discussed about fractal curves. Now in this video we are going to learn about area filling algorithm. So let's start. To fill the interior of a polygonal shape, we use area filling algorithm. There are different algorithms to perform fill operations by first identifying a point interior the area which is called seed point and paint that point. After that, paint near point by point out to the boundary. The basic filling algorithm is usually used in interactive graphics packages where user specify an interior point of the region to be filled. In this diagram, we can see this is an polygon and we first select a point. This point is called seed point. After selection of seed point by using 4 neighbors or 8 neighbors, we color the 4 neighbors or 8 neighbors till out of the boundary. Basic filling algorithm consists the following steps. In step number 1, first we select the specified point inside the area which is called seed point. After selection of seed point, in next step, in stack, we store 4 or 8 neighbors by the 4 connected or 8 connected techniques of the pixels. After that, eliminate a pixel from the stack. If the pixel is not set, here the set means coloring. If the pixel is not colored, then set the pixel, store its 4 neighbor pixel into the stack. After this, again we go to step number 3 and repeat these steps until the stack is empty. That is, there should not be any pixel in the stack. When stack will be empty, the area will be full colored. This is a code for basic filling algorithm. Here, fill is a function and xy is a pixel coordinate which we want to color. To color this particular pixel xy, first we use getPixel. GetPixel is a function which get the pixel color at a specified location xy. Generally, the color of the screen is black. Therefore, getPixel function take the value of pixel at specified location xy is 0, that is black. If getPixel is 0, that is black, then we use setPixel. SetPixel is a function that set the pixel color at a specified location XY to the specified color. After coloring this pixel XY location, by using these function, we color these 4 neighbor pixels or 8 neighbor pixels. To filling area, we have different algorithms like boundary fill algorithm, flood fill algorithm, one more is scanline algorithm. These algorithm is used for filling the area. These algorithms we will discuss later on in detail. So this is all over the video. Thank you.